What's going on, everyone? Ooh, I forgot. What's going on, everyone? Welcome. How are you today? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today it's regarding about my haul on Burlington, investment regarding on what we pick up on Burlington. Initially this one, the store was reopening and they had a good ones to pick up because last time I checked them out before the close down, they had a good ones, but I passed on them. But they had today is some kind of 50% discount. So this is the first time that Burlington did this since I was here, and it's already good to buy it on them during the regular, and also they had some kind of clearance, still a good prices to have them in hand as a collection, also for the body or something, and also good for resale. But now it's much more better because they're doing some kind of 50% off everything from clothing and sneakers. So without further ado, let's do the haul on the Burlington. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe now. We're giving away a pair of LeBron sneaker basketball shoes, including also a pair of socks. So I'm gonna giving away 9.5 or 10.5. Rest of the mechanics will be in the description below. Please check out. Good luck. So I'm gonna insert some of the clips that I took some picture inside the Burlington. And as you can see, we got a bunch of shoes. Right here, it's huge bag. So so happy to grab this one, and especially these are not just particular sneaker, but these are some kind of boots, and it's a premium boots from Burlington. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 of this. Oopsie. We have 3 types of this brown kind-ish with color of the Timberland boots, which is a premium boots, which is much more expensive than the regular boots that they have in store. So this one and this one also have some kind of different style comes with it, because this one is not just lace, but this one comes with zip, but also this one can be removed, as you can see right here. This can be removed if you don't want some kind of zipper on it, but I'd prefer to have some kind of zipper on it because it's different. So happy to have this one. Why? Because let's see how much they are in eBay. Let's check them out, how much they are. Let's type in the Timberland Premium 6 inches brown. So as you can see right here, some of them are reselling for above 100, some of them 138. This one have the box on 106, 100, and some of them don't have the box on, so that one is 100. Different. There's 95 plus shipping, so 119 plus shipping, 119 free shipping. So based on the market value, resale value of this one is somewhere 100. Okay, because this is the premium boots, and this one's reselling very well for me. How much the price? $59.99. So if you research online how much Timberland boots are, they are somewhere 150 over 200 with the box, and it differs from collaboration or how many pair that they have. This one, it's much more popular because it is the brown premium with some kind of chocolate on the collar, and also because this one is a different because of the zip, and also can be converted to something else if you wanted to remove the zip. But hey, what is my investment? $59.99, and they are reselling somewhere 100, 130, somewhere around there. And I already told you Burlington has doing some 50% on shoes and clothing. So 59 or like $60 plus tax, so somewhere around $30. Wow, right? So this one is already a money maker for me, so I could double my money, $30. So at least if I wanted to resell it for 120, 130, then I'm doubling my money. And this one had to be like, it's gonna be a combination of quick sale and long haul, because it's already summer. Some people don't buy them because they just want to wear them during the winter, some more cold season. But because this is Timberland boots, can be used when they are working. So either way, it's gonna be a quick flip or long hold, and it's gonna be a good profit return of investment for me, because it is some kind of premium boots that they could wear it long year, even though it's not winter. They could also use this one during the summer, especially if they want to use it at working. So more tips for you, because it's not because boots only wear it in cold season. No, they could use it during they are working or something. And especially it is very premium, as you can see the gum bottom. Lot of people are into it, and especially Timberland boots. And I'm also going into this type of shoes because I really like it. It's making me more taller. Okay, so let's take this out of the way. That is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, some miscellaneous that I picked up. Summer season, you need a socks, and you need some kind of shoe socks, something like that. This is a New Balance socks, and the retail on this one is $13. Yeah, but I got them for the store selling for $2.99, and then additional 50%. So that is like $1.50. And then how many pair? 1, 2, 3. That's a good one already. $1.50. So I'll grab a lot of this one for personal. But this one, I got the socks, a lot of Adidas socks. I picked them all of them. This is 6 pairs of Adidas socks. Retail on this one is $20. They are reselling for $9.99 in the store, and additional 50, so somewhere around $5 plus tax. So I could flip this one for $15, still making at least $10. That's a good one. So pick this up, 2 of these Crocs, and I already have me a personal pair, and this one I'm gonna resell them also. This one, how much? Okay, $14.99. Crocs, slide slipper. So summer, it's here, and they're gonna wear them. And retail value is $30, but the store reselling them for $14.99, additional 50, so somewhere around $7, somewhere around there. Some nice Mitchell and Ness Diana Pacers. I picked this up because I like the color though. Retail on this one is $30. $30, as you can see right there, selling for $9.99, and additional 50. What do you think? Do you think it's good for giveaway? Getting hot in here, and since it is summer, we'll grab a lot of shorts. Pick them up for $14.99 minus 50. So retail value is $50. Selling from the store is $14. Retail, retail. Check this retail out. $45. I get them $12.99 minus the 50. Another boots. As you can see, got bunch of it. There you go. A lot. This is actually really meant for winter. Same Timberland boots. Boom. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. So the model on this one is almost just the same with the brown one. As you can see, the zip and everything, they are just the same. It's just the different color. Let's check it out, how much they are on eBay. So Timberland premium boots, 6 inches, black ones. So some of the one that's selling on eBay that they have the box on 130s, and this one 95 premium water boots, black. Some reselling for 95. That is brand new. Pre-owned is 19. Oh, there is one selling 154, and this one is, they call it Gator, and is also selling somewhere $70. Some of them also selling this one for 85. So there are different prices. Okay, so I might still gonna go on that price, 120 and above. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Okay, surprise you with how much did I get them. So the other one is much cheaper, 59, so somewhere around that price. And this one, $29.99. Whoa, $29.99. This one is much more cheaper, right? And the good thing about this one is if they don't have the price like this one and this one and this one is $29.99 also. So since they can't find any tags on those, they just gonna scan this one, $29.99 each, and this one also. So I was so happy when they did that, because $29.99, $30, and then additional 50. So I'm buying this for $15. Whoa, $15 for Timberland boots. So $15, and then I'm gonna resell it somewhere 120, 125. Then also the buyer pay for the shipping. So at least I'm making 100 after the fees. So I'm making 100 a pair of this one. Whew, it's the worth go in the Burlington. Wow, so happy and went in there during this grand opening. Okay, so I hope you like this haul from the Burlington. It's getting hot in here. So I hope you like this haul from the Burlington. So thank you for watching. What do you think about this video? Please leave a like, and if you really like it, please leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-iingat po kayo. Bye-bye.